64-year-old woman from the United Kingdom and Westmoreland reported missing. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 64-year-old Donetta Anderson, caregiver of Ramones Terrace, Yorkshire Road, Mitcham, United Kingdom and Warren River, Westmoreland, has been missing since Monday, November 25th. She is of dark complexion, medium built and about 152 centimeters or 5 feet tall. Reports from the Whithorn police are that at around 11:50 a.m., Anderson was last seen leaving her Jamaican home. Her mode of dress at the time she went missing is unknown. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Donetta Anderson is being asked to contact the Whithorn police at 876-957-7713, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.